Hello everyone! So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin yung mga kakagraduate lang na mga students from different colleges and universities. Here in the Philippines, we do have different academic school years. Some of these students have graduated already last April, May, and yung iba naman ay gagraduate pa ngayong June. Of course, if they have graduated, they are already bachelor's degree holder. And after that, these young professionals are already very excited to do job hunting. So, papasa ka na ng mga application letter, may it be email, may it be abroad, may it be here in the Philippines, to the different agencies, departments, institutions, company, kung saan nagsuit yung kanilang kursong pinili. Yung iba naman are into review in preparation for their licensure exam, so for them to have this license. Since you are into job hunting and life will not stop there, and then you're very eager to have a job, I want you to include in your list of job hunting ESL companies. So one of the best ESL companies talaga na dapat nyong i-try is itong 5-1 Talk, because in here you can earn while you are at home. So long as you have these complete requirements and that you are good in speaking English, you have all the requirements, basic and technical requirements, then welcome na welcome po kayo dito na mag-apply. Remember that kahit na wala kayong experience, wala kayong TESOL or TEFL na mga certificate, then you are very much welcome to apply here in 5-1 Talk. Why not try, diba? Kasi many of the Filipino teachers already have earned here in 5-1 Talk. Marami talagang natulungan si 5-1 Talk na mga home-based teachers, most especially sa mga education graduate, nakaka-graduate lang, kahit na hindi pa kayo let passer, kasi of course you're still into review, basta mayroon lang kayo ng TOR or diploma or certificate of graduation plus the other requirements, then you can sign up, you can fill up already for your application. Regarding the requirements and the steps that you will be undergoing, you can see that one already in my profile. So nakapin po doon yung basic and technical requirements, and then nakapin din po doon how to apply. So why don't you check my profile para naman while waiting or baka naman ma-inlove rin kayo sa pagtuturo dito sa ESL company, just do your best, okay? Kasi kahit ako nga, I have already a full-time job in the government, but still, I really did appreciate what 5-1 Talk have given me in terms of confidence, in terms of financial, morale, character, yes. So marami talaga akong natutunan dito na company. So I will not be staying here for 3 years. Or yeah, dapat sana kasi 5 years na ako dito kung hindi ako nag-stop ng 2 years kasi medyo na busy. So I will not be recommending this company to you if hindi ako naging satisfied. So long as you are willing to learn, to teach foreign students, then go na po kayo dito sa 5-1 Talk. Kasi there are so many testimonies po talaga na maraming natulungan si 5-1 Talk. So if you're interested, a professional, a bachelor's degree holder who's interested to start their teaching journey here at 5-1 Talk, then message me here in TikTok or in Messenger. You can just type Christine R. Gallardo in your search for Messenger para makita nyo at ma-message nyo ako, or you can follow or just message me here in TikTok or comment on this video how para naman ma-message back ko kayo, and then I can send you all the requirements and steps para naman matulungan ko kayo at mag-guide ko kayo in your application. Okay? I hope that I can hear from you soon. Maybe this will be a great help as you move forward your teaching journey or your endeavor as a professional. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like or heart this video or share this one to your friends who's interested also to start their teaching profession or teaching mission here with us. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.